Okay, welcome to Art with Jim Freehart. I've had the request to help do a tutorial to show about foam on a crashing wave. So let me go ahead and just really quickly sketch in a bit of the wave. I'll leave more space for the foam this time. So here's a super fast. There's the crashing wave. Here's the little tail trailing off. There we go. Here's the wave as it's climbing up to the peak. Here's the peak of the wave and the wave starting to crash over on the other side. And then here's the foam starting to come up. So I'll go into that in more detail. But basically, there's the shape of the wave. Here's the foam starting to break up at the peak of the wave. The top of the wave that's not yet breaking. And here are a few lines to show the shape of the wave here. Lines are all kind of converging and sliding off to the side of your drawing. And so let me get right into, here's the barrel of the wave. Okay, so here comes the foam. Now, one of the things I don't think I mentioned in previous videos is watch what happens if you use little dots for the breakup of the wave into foam. Like you can kind of delineate it with these little shapes that look a bit like clouds, sort of something I do. See, I make these little irregular shaped kind of curves, like the same way I would do clouds on a cloudscape. Okay, here's the bottom of the wave where the foam meets the glossy, shiny water beneath. And so watch what we can do here. I'm going to do something kind of neat. Well, first I'll do the little dots like that, okay? That makes it look different than everything else because none of this will have the dots. This will all be smooth lines to kind of indicate the shape of the wave. Same thing here. Unless I have some foam coming up the wave like this. And what if I put dots on that too? That might make it look like it's foam and different than other parts of the wave. Some more foam coming up here. The little dots. Just an idea. There we go. Now, dots on the crashing foam. Even the dots, I'm not just doing them random so much, I'm trying to make them be the shape of the cloud-like splashes of foam. But here's one of the cool things I wanted to show you. So what happens when we have an area where the foam kind of might create a bit of a shadow, like there and maybe here, for example? Watch what I can do with my fingers. I'm darkening this. This is like a reflection of the dark part of the wave, dark part of the foam, if you call it that, the shadowed foam. Now watch how I can take my fingers, press hard, and just pull straight down from that dark reflection there, the dark shadow. And a few little lines that come across that. And there you go, you've got a glassy surface of the wave. Okay, the lip of the wave, darkening that lip there so it makes it stand out. Some more of the foam along here a little bit. A little dot, dot, dot. And there you go. There could even be places up here where it's a little bit darker to make it look like a more three-dimensional clump of foam, if you will. So there we go. I'm going to make a few more reflections right in front of the dark part there by making some kind of horizontal lines. Shadow under here. Reflection across the water. And drag down with my fingers to really stretch out that reflection. There you go. Jim Freehart. Celebrate the gift of life. I hope you do. I hope you have a fabulous day. And I hope this helps you a little bit with drawing foam on a crashing wave. Okay, have a beautiful day. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this, and like the video. Have a great one. Bye.